Sport and Exercise Science at the University of South Wales is an opportunity for students to learn everything about sport and exercise science, both theoretically and practically, whether that be psychology, biomechanics and physiology, and sub-disciplines of sport and exercise science such as nutrition, sports injuries and therapy, and strength and conditioning. We also offer world-leading facilities. That includes our exercise physiology, biomechanics and body composition labs. We also have a state-of-the-art environmental chamber, including our S&C and sports therapy facilities. Our students get to experience those facilities from day one of our course, making sure that they're ready, that they are proficient sport and exercise scientists.
The facilities at USW allows a lot of hands-on learning experience, and I think that's better than just learning through studying on the lectures, through learning the biomechanics, how to test for VO2 max, or even clinical things such as blood pressure. It shows a broad aspect of everything sports science related.
Students should come to the University of South Wales to study sport and exercise science because we've been voted the best for teaching and learning multiple times. We also offer a great variety of careers within sport.